types of letters. For the first is collection letters, first, second, and third remainders, and the function of the letters, and then I will talk about complaining letters, what they are made for, and when they are used. Alright, first I will begin by discussing collection letters. Collection letters are written messages sent by a company or individual to remind a customer about an overdue payment. These letters are usually sent in stages: the first reminder, second reminder, and third reminder. First reminder, the letter is polite and friendly. It assumes the customer may have forgotten or overlooked the payment. Its purpose is to gently remind the customer to pay their debit. And the second reminder, if the customer does not respond to the first letters, the second letter is sent. The letter is more direct and slightly firmer. It is asked the customer to settle the payment soon. And the last is third reminder. The third reminder, it is stronger in tone and often includes a warning about possible consequences such as legal action or service suspension. It is used when previous letters have been ignored. Function of collection letters to remind customers of unpaid bills or overdue accounts, to maintain a professional relationship while encouraging payment, to record communication efforts before taking further action to reduce financial losses by collecting outstanding payments. Okay, the use of a letterhead is important because it shows the official identity of the sender, such as a company or institution, and includes key information like the company name, address, contact details, and sometimes a logo. This not only ensures that the letters appears professional and credible, but also helps build trust with the recipient. Additionally, having a letterhead makes it easier for the customer to respond or follow up. Informal business communication, especially when dealing with financial matters like overdue payments, using a letterhead is a standard practice to maintain professionalism and proper documentation. Now, let's move on to the next topic, which is an explanation of complaining letters, including their purpose and when they are used. A complaining letter is a type of formal letter used to express dissatisfaction or disappointment about a product, service, or experience. It is usually written by a customer to a company, organization, or service provider. The main purposes of a complaining letter are to inform the company about a problem or poor service, to request a solution such as a refund, replacement, or apology, and to help the company improve their products or services. Complaining letters are typically used in situations where a product arrives damaged or defective, when a service is delayed, unprofessional, or not as expected, when a promise or agreement is not fulfilled, or when a customer experiences rude or unfair treatment. A good complaining letter should be clear, polite, and specific about the issue. It generally includes important details such as the date of purchase, the product or service involved, and expected resolution. Just like collection letters, complaining letters also need to have a letterhead. Using a letterhead shows the identity of the sender and makes the letter look more formal and professional. It includes important information and adds credibility to the complaint. So, especially when the letter comes from an organization or is sent in a formal situation, having a letterhead is very important. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.